as Elke very, very rightly says, PPC platform on Amazon is in beta phase, which means that some sellers can use it, but the majority can't, as they work out all the bugs and work out how these things work. And that's always how Amazon starts these things. So, but for the most part, there is no PPC available on the .com.au website yet. So what do you do instead? Well, what I would definitely do is I would definitely be running Google AdWords to my listing. So this is a brilliant opportunity for every single person listening to this. This is an amazing opportunity that I just don't see people taking advantage of. And for me, it is so obviously good, it's just beggars belief. But let me demonstrate it, Elke. All right, so somebody give me a product that they're thinking of selling, and let me show you how this works. Somebody give me a product they're thinking of selling, and I'll show you exactly how this works. All right, loads and loads and loads. Okay, we're going to go with Andrew's air purifiers. All right, so air purifiers. Let's go over to the .com website. I'm going to show you here how this works first. So let's put in air purifier. So here we go. So here's all the different kinds of air purifiers that we can have. And as you can see, there's bloody loads of them all over the place. And there are 20,000 results for air purifiers on Amazon.com. 20,000 results. So this is, I think it's fair to say, a hyper competitive niche on Amazon. Hyper competitive, okay? And anybody thinking of listing their product on Amazon.com selling air purifiers would want to have a significantly smart way of marketing their product to make sales using the Amazon architecture. So let me show you, hopefully, a smart way to do this. So here's Google AdWords, and Google AdWords is free, all right? 100% free, particularly, but there's two levels of it. So there's two levels of Google AdWords. The free level where you don't do any advertising at all on Google using AdWords, in which case it gives you very, very generic data back, or the data you get back once you start running any advertising at all on Google, you get a whole new level of data, and it's brilliant data as well. All right. So what we're going to use is we're going to use get search volume data and trends, just so that I can demonstrate something to you. So we're going to set things for .com. So I'm just going to target the United States, but I would just as easily target Australia in there just by going into there, and that's how you would set this up. But let's go in and go for our main keyword for people who are searching for air purifier on Google. Let's see who wants to get an air purifier on Google. Now, sometimes it does that just as it's trying to catch up with all the information. Of course, it's going to play a total pain in the butt. Oh, good. There we go. So on on Google, 135,000 people search for air purifiers on Google. That is a significant amount of people, okay? But out of that, how many actually want to buy an air purifier versus they're interested in getting information about an air purifier? So let's find out. And the way that we would find that out is we would say, if somebody searches for air purifier Amazon, it is a very, very good bet that they want to buy an air purifier, and the platform they want to buy it on is Amazon. Okay? Would you agree that's a solid bet for us to make? They've searched for the product, air purifier, and they've searched for the platform they want to buy that product on. So Let's take a look, see what we can come back with. All right, so 3,600 people each and every month go to Google looking to buy an air purifier on Amazon. 3,600. Now, I have yet to see a product or product category that this does not work in. I've yet to see it. So if you're selling anything at all, you should be running ads on Google to your product listing on Amazon for that and only that keyword, air purifier Amazon, or Amazon air purifier. Because a lot of people, particularly when Prime is in a marketplace, they only want to shop on Amazon because they get free shipping and all the rest of the benefits of Prime that Prime gives them. And of course, Elkie, that's coming here into Australia, so you're going to have that too happening here. And then just to go the next step in that, what you would do, just so you know, let's take somebody. So this is all PPC, this is all Amazon PPC. So you can see here, it says sponsored here. So these are all sponsored listings using Amazon PPC, which is ludicrously good. It means that you get to put your product right in front of people that are searching for it on Amazon. So let's just take one of these people. Let's take this one here, the Levoit. So this is their product, looks fantastic. Looks very, very good. All right, get $50 off. Compare with similar items. We're not going to be able to use this one because there's somebody who are actually selling somebody else's product. Okay, so it's not a good example for me to use for you. I want somebody who's private labeled and selling their own product. Okay, that's what I'm trying to find for you. All right, this is good. This is them selling their own product. All right. 3-year protection plan. So this would be where you would send that traffic to. You would send it to, so somebody searching on Amazon for a air purifier, you would send it to that URL as your landing page. So they would go from Google to Amazon to that landing page, and that's how that would work. So they would look for a product on Google, they would go to your advert, they'd click on it, they'd arrive on Amazon at this air purifier, and that's a brilliant way of marketing your product, Elkie. So while you're waiting for Amazon PPC to arrive, then Google PPC is a must, as is Bing PCC, definitely a must. And depending on your product, so you're in the baby category, so you'd also want to be on Instagram, Pinterest, and you may even think about YouTube as well, Elkie. So that's a lot of different strategies all in a very short period of time, but that's what I would be doing while I'm waiting for the Amazon PPC infrastructure to come out of beta in Australia. That's what I'd be doing. I would do that anyway, but while you're waiting, you can get all that set up. Hope that helps. Hey, Neil here. Just before you go away, that was a question that I got asked on my regular Monday night Q&A session, which I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. So if you're interested in joining us as an Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, then you can click on the link below to find out a lot more about that. And also, as a special thank you for watching this video, I've got a great book that I want to give you for free. It's a current bestseller on Amazon, and it teaches you everything that you would need to know about starting a business here in Australia on Amazon. So you can see that just up there. So if you'd like to get a copy of that for free, then again, just click on the link below and you'll get a copy of that. You'll get taken to a page where you can get a copy of that for absolutely free. Hope you enjoyed that little snippet from one of my Aussie Online Entrepreneur Q&A sessions, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also like this video. And if you've got a question that you would like answering, then post it in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer it, whether on one of these videos for you or directly in the comments directly below. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time on the next of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs Amazon FBA Australia videos. See you soon.